Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am for Christmas week, Monday, December 19th through to the 25th. And I have to decide actually whether this is going to be the last week of this planner or if this is going to be the last week of this planner. I think I'm going to do this as the last week because this week is also in the 2023 HOBONICHI cousin. I don't know. What are you guys gonna do? Are you gonna make this week the last week or this week the last week and then start your 2023 off on January 2nd, like in terms of the weeklies? Because I know the dailies start on January 1st, so that won't bother me too much. What are you guys thinking? Let me know. All right, so now we can get on to the planning part. I will be using these modern holidays from According to Ali. I love the color scheme, so pretty. And please don't mind all of the red ink because one of my pens just leaked everywhere. Let's get started. So I've chosen my Tombos, I have my fountain pen, and I have the washi tape that I am going to use. So I'm going to I don't want to put a ton of washi because I do want to use some of this in a daily spread for journaling. So, and I like this color because it matches perfectly with these. So let's put one down like this. And if it's straight, great. Oh, that rhymed. Oh, don't get me on a laughing fit in the middle of a plan with me. I am known for suddenly laughing at something and like going into hysterical giggles and not being able to stop. And my kids make fun of me. Do I want to save this for a daily spread? I kind of do. Yeah. So let's then put these, and I really like the happy holidays, but I do want to save that for the daily spread again. So let's put this here. Yeah. Oh, I like the combination of like the black and the brown and the white. Pretty. Pretty. And then like the little tree. Oh my gosh, cute. Then down here in the corner, I could put this house with, is that me just putting it down crooked? With a bell. Oh, I love that already. And then I thought it was gonna match and now it doesn't really. It looks more orange. Part of me is thinking of taking it off. Or doing, what's the other thing I have? I have this craft paper that would not match either. Okay, you know what, I'm just gonna keep it there. Then I have that big star that I might put over here somewhere. I want to keep the house for the daily spread. So I can use one of these. I think what I'm gonna do, because it's funny, like here, I don't know, it looked different to me. Just cut off a little piece and then cut that in half because I find it too big. And then place it with the house here. Yeah. There we go. I will come back to that. I will come back to that. Okay, so that's like a little bit of the spread as I like it. Now I'm going to go into my sidebar and the bottom. So for my sidebar, I'm going to be using my Tombow dual brush pens, colors 977 and 126. And the way that I'm going to use these is as headers. This green made more sense when that wreath was there, and it matched better there too. Maybe my eyes are just not great right now. So Basically, I'm going to draw a graph where I'm going to measure out my sleep score. So I measure out, or I graph how long I slept, but also what my sleep score was measured on my Fitbit. And then underneath that, I haven't been working out because of my shoulder, which has been really sore. I've been going to acupuncture for it. So I haven't been using this space for workout. So I don't really know what to use it for at the moment. So I don't know if I could just do a really cute quote, or no, maybe I'll do that. I'll do a really cute quote. So instead of a quote, I'm actually just going to keep track of my steps. I know I stopped keeping track of my steps in my yearly tracker. So let's keep track of how many steps I do each day. So Monday, I say the days of the week like you guys don't know what they are. Here is Monday. Anyway. And then I'm just going to do, how do I want to do this quote? I'm sure that washi is distracting. Just day 2's and then with the other side, tis the season. Can you even see that? Oh yeah. And then with the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, adding a bit of shadow. I think that makes such a difference when you add a little bit of shadow. Yeah. Oh, I love that. Tis the, and then I'm gonna actually write. Oh, I love that. Nice. Okay, so then moving to the bottom. So with the bottom, I use my Tombow Duo brush pens to create headers, and then use the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write in the word meals. And this is where I keep track of my meals. Now, when it comes to tracking, I haven't been great at it, but I'm also really focusing on intuitive eating rather than tracking every single thing that I'm eating. And I'm finding a really good balance with that. I just like to have a general overview of what I'm eating on a day-to-day basis. So now going into each day, I will use the same Tombow Duo brush pens to highlight a header for work. I'm only working Monday through Thursday, yay. And then using the same Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word work, and then use that same pen as well to draw the arrows for my work shifts. All right, and I just remembered that I am done work early on that day. Oh, that's Lucy. Hold on, she's whining to get out. So I just remembered that I have to change that because it's the kids' Christmas concert that night. So I'm actually off at 5. So it's a bit of an earlier day. There we go. Perfect. All right. So then there are a few things that I do need to do that day. So I'm going to write here with this Tombow the Tombow Duo brush pen that it is the kids' Christmas concert, and I'm using my TWSBI Diamond 580. So the Christmas concert is actually at 6:30. 30 kids Christmas concert. And it's Henry's first Christmas concert because COVID. I'm just so happy that he'll be able to go. And then the to-do will be to meal plan and still order groceries. And then Tuesday is the fun day of putting out all of the garbage and recycling. So, well, actually, yeah, garbage and recycling. So, do I have smaller ones? I know I have different garbage ones. These are from Let's Planet. Yeah. So let's put those there. And put out garbage. I know there's other things I need to be doing, but I cannot remember right off the bat. The kids have a full day of school here, and then groceries will need to be picked up, but it needs a sticker before I even think about putting it down. There we go. From Paper Bits Co. These really cute grocery bag stickers. Whoops. Pick up groceries. And my day off is the kids' last day of school, and they have a half day. So I hope to get a manicure, get this color off, and get like a Christmassy green. That's my hope. And I haven't scheduled it yet, but I will. 10 o'clock manicure. And then kids pick them up right after, and then I will have a few things to do that afternoon. So 2 o'clock is weighing in at Weight Watchers, and then I do have to film, so I want to get my filming sticker. Okay, see, this is the thing. I take stickers out, I need to remember to put them back. But I will need a laundry sticker. I am going to be doing laundry Friday night because Christmas Eve, I do not want to be doing laundry because we will be at my parents' house and we will be going to Christmas Eve Mass. And we will not be cleaning that weekend because we will be getting a cleaner to come in on the following week. Who is calling me? My husband. Hold on. Husband called while I was using my phone. Okay. So I need to find a filming sticker because there is some filming I need to do for sure that day. So I will put that, and then to film. Definitely my weeks, my cousin. And I know I'll have to do the monthly setup. There's a whole bunch of videos that I want to do before Christmas so that I don't have to worry about it between Christmas. There's a whole bunch of videos coming out in between the 20th and the end of the year, just kind of wrapping up the year. And then I will be folding laundry that night. Although the plan was that we were going to go to Candy Cane Lane that day. But it depends on just depends on a lot, really. Christmas Eve, we don't really have plans until the evening, so I could technically do the laundry that morning. Technically. But I could also do filming that morning. I don't know. I'm gonna leave Friday night open. Because Henry doesn't have Ninja or anything like that on Christmas weekend, I'm going to actually just put laundry here. But I'm sure that I'll also need to wrap presents and stuff. I feel so unprepared this year. I just feel like time is rushing by. I don't even have wrapping paper. I have most of the presents. I don't have wrapping paper. And I think one of the reasons why I don't have wrapping paper is because I haven't stopped by my local Michael's in a while. And I think one of the reasons for that is like I don't really go to Michael's for planner stuff anymore. I buy all my planner stuff online from small shops. I don't buy sticker books or anything, so I can't really remember the last time I was at Michael's. And before, I used to be there like at least once a week. Not anymore. Okay, so lovely. And then it's Christmas. So what the plan is we're going to probably go to Christmas Eve Mass at 7:30. So, and then it is family time. After that, we will be at my parents' house until well past midnight. Yeah. Oh, that's perfect. So Christmas with family. Then I'm gonna leave Christmas Day completely open because we have no plans. I am actually really happy about that. Basically, the whole plan is to stay home and do nothing except, you know, play with our presents, watch movies, hang out together, that type of thing, which I'm really excited about. So let's put that sticker book away and let's have a look at this whole spread. It looks empty. I know it looks empty, but as the week goes on, I will end up filling it up. I'm trying to find time when I'm going to wrap presents. Oh my goodness. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. It doesn't feel like a festive spread. It looks more like fall inspired, but when you look at these elements and these elements, you know it's Christmas. It's a modern holiday. Oh no, what did I do here? Oh, I got washi stuck on a sticker. I do not want that. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in any of According to Allie stickers, you can use my affiliate link in the description and use code Karina10 for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy holidays.